I mean, stick the line on, go and take the link. So, I book this thing. So for the Jiangsu and the Jiangxi, I use all these my professional work. So that's the street. You can see there's also for my car. Yeah. So you are sticking on my luggage, on my luggage handle, and join the rod up. I can even film even higher. If the ceiling is high, I can even film very very high. But anything extra, I charge optional. So I make it very basic, make it affordable for everybody. So the video cameraman, so people have bought, they use a big one. Then I make friends with all these talented people, and a lot of them happen to wear cap. So I have my cap with me, special design, so I can like this, Camcorder. Then go for holiday. Akong Ama want to film grandfather, grandmother, happy and healthy. Also want to go for holiday, enjoy life. What better way? So National Day just over. So you look at the helicopter, you can eat anything and film. Then I just managed to successfully attach another battery and get forwards. Just like forwards, the slim battery. Yeah. So you got down hands forever. I told him also I went to Chennai 2 times. At the time the quality so-so at VCD. Now if I go back there again, I will have a lot of camera to film at the beach out there. There are a lot of Indian boys around me. So the balancing on the tightrope and all very cute little boys. We kids. Yeah. So I'm creating next level filming with 4 cameras at one go. Then after that the editing I outsource to someone. I don't want to make money. So I have to form a very lovely triangle relationship with my husband myself. I don't want to do editing. So it's very simple. For the camera, then edit become blocks like CCTV 1, 2, 3, 4. For the smart TV, 50 or 60 inches cost less than $1,000. Then you sit big on between your event, business or personal. That's very lovely because so no longer boring. That's like always straight out to me. So this is what's happening. I waited 10 years for the technology to arrive beginning this year. Because to reach 2HD took a long time to achieve. Then all the ideas, solution is all mine that I created. So ordinary items, I found more than 100 items become your camera accessory without paying through the nose. And the accessory are spelled as EXCESS. I tell people you don't want to carry the access. The proprietary camera accessory, if you are using the big one, of course you have to carry all the bulky, the heavy and the expensive. So this one I stick it so many times. Wherever I go for go overseas or go to Singapore, those musicians I always like to film them. And every time I always forget one camera. Because sometimes I can film as many as 10 cameras. Yeah, but I never panic. Even I forget, whenever I go back, the camera is still around there. Yeah. So if you need to go to buy things or go to a hawker center to makan, you don't tell people may not know, but I got things to hide so discreetly. It's not aim at tournament because you just want to film the important event. But you cannot use a mobile phone and leave it down there. Yeah. So let's look at the quality now. Last year I filmed several times at the Wangpo, this Ting Chi Hao was down there too. I'm supplying my camera to the police for one time, Singapore, Malaysia and Thailand. But the Thailand, the Malaysian anti-corruption business become a family. Of course, we supply to them for video. Let's take out this one. This one drop. It won't drop. So to me, the speed is very crucial. Because I'm charging so low, I cannot be, wasting so much time. Yeah. I film a lot for meeting, AGM, or those business meeting. Sometimes I make better profit. Because some customer very generous. Those who are not say super rich, will think that it's a joke, $50 for half a day. Because the meeting usually is less than half a day meeting. No, raining I can film also. Raining. I got waterproof ordinary item because underwater. Can film also. I got a lot of videos in YouTube. If you type Yasu and Yasi video, another person also major collection begin his 30th birthday in January. So I think it's fun. And because if the room is not so squarish or rectangular, not got filler or sometimes this corner, and maybe 4 camera may not be enough as well. For those customers got budget looking for a joke, I'm charging them either $50 or $100. So a wedding dinner, sometimes I say, okay, John, this food table is my crazy friend. I want you to focus on this table. So customers buy their own cup after bringing the basic. So just type Yasu and Yasu video, you can see all my videos. The last one was the Camcorder event. That's where I met this friend, Mr. Krishna. I don't know whether you know him. Yeah, by chance I met him after telling my Camcorder, the Chinese Camcorder event. So for any reason, because Camcorder also have a lot of events, Indian, Chinese Camcorder, more also have events.
Wow, I've got my face coming in.
Then another one, let me show you the rooster.
What can
That's why we were having lunch together.
special lunch?
Yeah, just this rooster box last 6. Okay.